Welcome to Operation Normals.
Yes!
Chef Din-Dins loves to get down and dirty. You've got to prove to him you can too.
And Boulder has some great salad recipes. Your diner will be the talk of the galaxy.
Have you ever asked Captain how he became Captain of the North?
And then the Queen said, "From here on forth, you are Captain of the North."
Wow. What a story. Boulder would love to hear it. Promise me you'll come and tell him?
Kid songwriter is always on the hunt for new, crazy glasses and loves his piano.
I am telling you, Boulder could help you be at one with your piano.
But that's my dream. I've always wanted to be a piano.
McLaren.
Miss No Nova Club Claren. Everyone's invited, but not McLaren. But don't tell her.
I'm not good at keeping secrets. I get a teeny bit sweaty.
She thinks she's invited, so she won't come, which is good, because she's uninvited, which you mustn't tell her. Clear? Today's the day. Operation Normal's a must have worked. McLaren's gonna have a No Nobody Club. Captain of the North, kid songwriter, welcome.
I was having doubts, but people are here so we can work out.
Oh, about that.
Sid, come in. Where is everyone?
Is that your super duper new pencil case?
Yeah, sure, but where is everyone? And what's leaking? Sid, you're about to flood the ship. What's up with you? Sid.
Though if I know about your gatherings, she thought you were trying to have fun without her. She calls it No Nova Club.
Yes!
This looks like a party. Where's all the workouts? Look at poor Boulder.
He's nothing but a pebble.
Nova forced, asked me very nicely to help convince everyone to come back.
Nobody convinced me. Your system managers weren't invited. I never leave Nova out on purpose. I work hard to keep her happy. It's my job. She just couldn't let me enjoy this one thing that didn't involve her. Maybe it's time to throw the rulebook out into the paper recycling bin. Maybe it's time to beat Nova at her own game. We're gonna get everyone back here. You're gonna help me, and we need to keep this a secret. I'll put this back where it belongs. Not the pencil case's fault.
The crew's together again, but aren't we gonna get down and train?
Yes. A few minutes, and maybe add a week onto those minutes.
Hey, Boulder. At first I tried to keep my distance, but I've realized I need your assistance.
Phew, I was going through a drought. Are you ready to work out?
Oh no, I don't want to do that. I need to stop all this rhyming chat.
It's all in your mind. You're overthinking. The rhymes all come when your brain's cross-linking. Close your eyes. Now breathe in slow. Think of just a big zero. Now open them and have a go.
Are you sure this will work? Not rhyme. It worked! Yes! You're all right, Boulder. Does this mean I can't rap anymore?